Last month, my neighbor Sarah approached me with concern. Her energy levels had plummeted, and her doctor mentioned her blood sugar was creeping up. She was 53 and feeling defeated. 3 weeks later, I saw her jogging past my house with a genuine smile. What changed everything? Jackfruit. This tropical giant isn't just another exotic fruit. It's a nutritional powerhouse that researchers are calling nature's multivitamin. The World Health Organization recognizes its potential in addressing malnutrition, while recent studies from the Journal of Food Science reveal its remarkable impact on metabolic health. My journey with jackfruit began 2 years ago. I was skeptical when my nutritionist suggested it. The spiky, intimidating exterior seemed more like a medieval weapon than food. But inside lies something extraordinary. Jackfruit contains unique compounds called flavonoids that work at the cellular level to regulate blood sugar. Mayo Clinic research shows these compounds can improve insulin sensitivity by up to 30% in some individuals. The magic happens through jackfruit's high fiber content. Each cup delivers 14 grams of fiber, nearly half your daily requirement. This fiber creates a gel-like substance in your digestive system, slowing sugar absorption. Your pancreas doesn't have to work overtime, preventing those energy crashes that plague many after 50. But jackfruit's benefits extend beyond blood sugar. It's packed with potassium, containing more per serving than bananas. This mineral supports heart health by regulating blood pressure. The National Institutes of Health published findings showing regular jackfruit consumption correlates with improved cardiovascular markers in adults over 50. Vitamin C content is equally impressive. 1 cup provides 23% of your daily needs. This isn't just about preventing colds. Vitamins supports collagen production, keeping skin elastic and joints flexible as we age. I noticed my knee pain from years of running decreased significantly after adding jackfruit to my routine. The versatility surprised me most. Young jackfruit mimics pulled pork when cooked, perfect for those reducing meat consumption. Ripe jackfruit satisfies sweet cravings naturally. I blend frozen pieces into smoothies or eat fresh chunks as afternoon snacks. The key is starting small, about half a cup daily, then gradually increasing. Timing matters too. Eating jackfruit 30 minutes before meals helps control appetite and stabilize blood sugar throughout the day. This pre-meal strategy comes from research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, showing improved glucose response when fiber-rich foods precede main meals. Some people experience digestive discomfort initially. Start with small portions and drink plenty of water. Individuals with birch pollen allergies should be cautious, as cross-reactivity can occur. Always consult your healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes, especially if you take diabetes medications. Finding quality jackfruit takes practice. Fresh versions are available at Asian markets, while canned options work well for cooking. Avoid products with added sugars or preservatives. Frozen jackfruit maintains nutritional value and offers convenience for busy schedules. Sarah's transformation wasn't overnight magic. She combined jackfruit with regular walks and better sleep habits. But she credits this fruit with giving her the energy to maintain these changes. Her latest blood work showed improved markers across the board. Tracking progress helps maintain motivation. Monitor energy levels, sleep quality, and how you feel after meals. Some people notice improvements within 2 weeks, while others take a month. Patience is crucial as your body adapts to increased fiber intake. The research continues evolving. Recent studies explore jackfruit's anti-inflammatory properties and potential role in weight management. While we await more definitive results, current evidence strongly supports its inclusion in a balanced diet for those over 50. Moderation remains key with any food. Jackfruit is naturally high in calories from natural sugars. Balance it with protein and healthy fats for optimal nutrition. Think of it as one component of a varied, nutrient-dense eating pattern rather than a miracle cure. Your health journey after 50 doesn't have to feel like an uphill battle. Simple additions like jackfruit can create momentum for bigger changes. Start this week with a small serving and notice how your body responds. Small steps lead to remarkable transformations. If this information helped you, share it with someone who might benefit. Your support helps us create more evidence-based health content. Remember, the best time to start improving your health was 20 years ago. The second best time is today.